Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix filters not showing on WhatsApp video call. Now first, what you can try is to ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Sometimes bugs are fixed in newer updates, so just make sure you're always running the latest version. Next, you can also check your device's compatibility. So not all devices support video filters. Make sure your device is compatible with this feature. Another way to make sure of this is by keeping your OS or iOS updated whenever there's an update available. Next, you can also try enabling permissions. So just head to your phone settings, find WhatsApp, and ensure it has the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone. Next, you can also try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. And finally, if the above steps don't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling WhatsApp on your device. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.